What up, YouTube? So today is going to be part 5 of the Mitsubishi Eclipse K20 Z1 swap. Today we're going to be finishing up the mounts. So J-Fab's about to come over here and get this one situated since we got the mount actually ordered in. And then we'll actually be doing a first start on this video. It's not the actual first start, but we'll just get it started up on here to show you guys that this car does run and everything for people who didn't see the short clip already with this sort of S2000 cluster sort of wired in. But yeah, he's about to get that going. We're gonna lower the radiator tabs so we can get this to fit under here, and then we gotta hopefully try to make let's see if we can get the downpipe made for the TSX header. So this is a bone stock TSX header. The RSX one wouldn't work because it would actually be way more on the subframe. So with the TSX dumping straight down, that helps us a lot. Yeah, other than that, we're just gonna start hopefully getting this mount on here tied down, and then we'll go over a little wiring that I did. And I mean, this wiring setup is kind of different. Most people use 02 to 04. I'm using 05, 06, and we just have a K tuner for right now just to get it started. And then we're ordering actually K tuner for this car, so it will be least tunable. We'll get to rev it up to at least 88, and let's wait for a couple more things to come in. I'm also going to show you guys how to run the coolant temp sensor for the K series cars, and then we'll probably wire up the fan as well. That'll go to the C101 plug. Yeah, so right now we're just going to get to the mount, and then we'll come back after this done. Alright, so we're back now, and as you can see, the jack is out of the way, so the mount is on here. The motor isn't going anywhere for sure. It's definitely in there really good. So I did a couple things. Also, I went ahead and got the throttle cable on here. Just needed to do a slight modification to the pedal, and that was good. I deleted the evap since we're not going to be running that at all. We got the radiator on here, so that's in there pretty sturdy. Gonna have to change the bolts though, get a shorter bolt, but that's pretty much ready to go. I also went ahead and tapped the coolant temperature sensor. So we took out the little idle valve and put our D series sensor on here. That's gonna go straight to the S2000 kit. So I can show you guys real fast what I did on the wiring, since the S2000 kit wasn't done yet. So let me get this out real fast so I can show you guys what I did. So this is the dash converter kit. I pretty much just went by the instructions. So the red wire is a 12-volt source, the black wire is a ground, the blue wire is going to go to the cluster, I believe, and the white wire goes to the other side, whereas the output of the ECU. And then the orange one is going to the cluster, which is for the coolant, and then this gray one is going to the actual sensor that I just showed you. These two brown ones are for the fuel. So the fuel was actually working, so maybe this is gonna give it supposedly better accurate on that. And I already set it to the magnetic portion since this is a 05, 06. So yeah, this is the S2000 dash converter. That's pretty much ready to go. I pretty much got the wiring almost finished. I just gotta rewrap it and everything, and that'll be ready to go. So right now, I just gotta finish a couple wires and clean it up, and then we'll go ahead and finish this video with the start. And then next video, we'll hopefully be getting the axles done and finishing all that up. Get everything in the interior back together and everything, and try to at least pre-mount the cluster in here, so that can get the bezel made and everything. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this wiring, and then we'll come back and get to the startup. All right, so we're back now, and got pretty much everything ready. I just want to let you guys know, in the next video we'll be going over the pulley. Just got to put the belt on, and then I got to wire up the alternator wire for here and put the intake on here with the temperature sensor. We got to do the exhaust and pretty much just clean everything up, get it all bled out, and then we got to go for the axles. Hopefully I'll be getting the outer boots in here soon, see if we can line those up with the RSX shafts. Other than that, let's go for this last start, or for this first start for you guys. So where's the key at? Let's see. And we still got to mount up the cluster a little bit, hopefully with like a bracket or two, so we can get this thing going. And then we also got to bolt down the shifter and then get all the interior pieces in here too. So probably 2 more videos and this car will be ready to go. Alright guys, that's pretty much gonna be it. Like I said, still got some other things we gotta finish on this car, but stay tuned for the next videos. If you haven't liked, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think. See you guys on the next one.